Monoculture, a method of growing only one crop at a time in a given field, is very widespread practice, but there are questions about its sustainability, especially if the same crop is grown every year. Growing is a mixture of crops, polyculture, sometimes reduces diseases or pest problems. For example, how does growing a corn bean mixture every compare with the growing corn and bean in alternate years? Cropping systems that include a variety of crops may also replenish nitrogen and may also use resources such as sunlight, water, and nutrients more efficiently. Replacing a natural ecosystem with a few specifically chosen plants varieties, as is done in farming, results in an artificial ecosystem that lacks the genetic diversity found in wildlife and is thus more susceptible to widespread diseases. The Great Irish Famine is a well-known example of the dangerous monoculture. Many scientists, farmers, and businesses have debated how to make agriculture farming sustainable. One of the many practices include growing a diverse number of parent crops in a single field, each of which will grow in separate seasons so as not to compare with each other for natural resources. This system would result in increased resistance to diseases and decreased effects of erosion and loss of nutrients in soil. Nitrogen fixation from legumes, for example, used in conjunction with plants that rely on nitrate from soil for growth, helps to allow the land to be reused annually. Legumes will grow for a season and replenish the soil with ammonium and nitrate, and the next season other plants can be seeded and grown in the field in the preparation of harvest. In practice, there is no single approach to sustainable agriculture, as the precise goals and methods must be adapted to each individual case. There may be some techniques of farming that are inherently in conflict with the concept of sustainability, but there is widespread misunderstanding on impacts of some practices. For example, the slash and burn techniques that are the characteristics features of shifting cultivators are often cited as inherently destructive. Yet, slash and burn cultivation has been practiced in the Amazon for at least 6,000 years. Serious deforestation did not begin until the 1970s, largely as a result of Brazilian government programs and policies. There are also many ways to practice sustainable animal husbandry. Some of the key tools to grazing management, including fencing of the grazing area into smaller areas called paddocks, lowering stock density, and moving the stock between the paddocks frequently. Several attempts have been made to produce an artificial meat using isolated tissues to produce it in vitro. Jesse Mathinis' work on this topic, which in the new harvest product is one of the most commented.